Hello! Welcome to Beauty Point College, the home of Kenya's top beauty professionals. If you're looking for a course that is trending, in demand, and pays well, then beauty therapy is the one. And at Beauty Point College, we train you with the best equipment, real salon setups, and hands-on practicals that prepare you for the real market. This is where your glow-up becomes a career. At Beauty Point College, we don't just teach you, we connect you. Our students get guaranteed attachments and job placement support in top spas, salons, and beauty centers across Kenya. Start your journey today. Become a certified beauty therapist, grow your skills, and open endless opportunities in Kenya's booming beauty industry. Beauty Point College, where your skills become your future. Enroll now. Call 070-825-5679.